Hello everyone, I am Surekha. My roll number is 39 and I'm talking about teaching for effectiveness and my teacher in charge is Dr. Satim Shinde madam. Teaching for effective learning which is uh, from unit 5. I'm talking about what is the uh, thinking styles and concept of thinking. So I'm talking about thinking style. We can see the definition here. Thinking is a mental activity in its cognitive aspect, written by Ross. And next definition is thinking is recognition of concepts, forensic. Third one is thinking is mental exploration for finding out solution of problem, which is written by Woodward. There are five types of thinking styles, like critical thinking, reflective thinking, convergent thinking, divergent thinking, and lateral thinking. I'm talking about only critical thinking today for just now. We all know that critical thinking is a complex process which involves manipulation of information. It also engage in problem solving, reasoning, and making decisions too. Thinking is a higher cognition function and pattern of behavior. We can uh, think differently when we deciding something, and when we saw something, hear something, uh, that call uh, critical thinking. So uh, this is definition of critical thinking. Critical thinking is a deciding rationally what to or not to believe, which is written by Morris. And critical thinking is careful and deliberate determination of whether to accept, reject, or suspend judgment, which is written by Murray and Parker. So thinking is a mental activity in its cognition aspects. We all know. Now there are five components of critical thinking, which are written here, like analysis, evaluation, interference means a reflection, a reflective thinking, we can say, explanation, and self-regulation means evaluation, and deciding what is wrong, or how judgmental belief, we can say. Analysis means examine any particular topic, any particular thought, any particular judgment, any particular concept, like identifying argument, agreed or disagreed, giving our uh, solution, or talking about or perspective on any particular topic, uh, any information, like evaluation means assessing any um, ideas, any topic, any particular article, videos, movies, and any written text too, like uh, evaluating source of information, piece of information, uh, and any particular knowledge and information. So interference driving in conclusion from evidence of reasoning means giving the reasons, finding evidences, setting the reasoning, rational the thoughts, and explanation means clear about logical, giving logical reasons, explanation, giving explanation with particular reasoning causes. And self-regulation means uh, thinking about ourselves, my thinking about self, and of self-awareness, what I'm doing, what I have to do, and what are the values which help me the growing me, and uh, any particular thought process means self-regulation, we can say. These are the core component of critical thinking. Now, many characteristics of critical thinking, like reasonable and rational thinking. As we can say, reasonable thinking means giving a particular reason about any idea, about any written text, any topic, or any piece of information, piece of knowledge, with rational thinking. Reflecting thinking means giving reflection about any topic, any ideas, any knowledge, and any principles too, like any like law of nature, a law of motion. They can reflect on that. And attitude of inquiry means how things happen, why are they happening, and they are inquire and research deeper in that particular topic, in that particular piece of information, means an attitude of inquiry. Autonomous thinking, creative thinking means creating a new product, creating a new knowledge, creating a new uh, piece of information, like composing poem, writing an essay, writing stories. Creative new things means creative thinking. Uh, Thinking creative and making a new product, like which is visible and tangible. Fair thinking means thinking without bias, not judging another person, or not judging others. Focusing on deciding what to believe or do, means what is correct or what is wrong. They can decide it with the help the critical thinking. Now, educational implications of critical thinking. There are many core elements of educational implications of critical thinking, like designing curriculum, shift from rote learning, like we can think critically, hands-on activity. We can include any collaborative activities in the curriculum. We can uh, design a curriculum including new ideas, new innovations, new hands-on activities, like involving the critical thinking, and emphasis on cross-disciplinary learning, like encouraging a student to connect real life connection, new ideas, and learning by doing, means experiential learning we can design in the curriculum with the help of critical thinking. Now, teaching method. We can choose different teaching methods, different pedagogy, different teaching approaches, which help to teacher to facilitate the student, to cater the student with the help of critical thinking, using new Socrates questioning attitude, developing the uh, uh, deeper thinking styles, like problem solving, uh, discussion, debate, and real life connected questions, focusing on solution oriented mentality, and encouragement of reflection, and thinking metacognitively, like thinking about one's thinking, how we are thinking. When think about what we are thinking, means metacognition, and using particular knowledge another particular another situation, means thinking critically. So next, assessment practices. We can plan many aspects for assessment, like summative assessment, formative assessment, diagnostic test. We can plan accordingly with the help of critical thinking, like writing essay, writing poems, performance tasks, real life connected, oral assessment, keeping portfolios, project based learning like giving performance tasks, assessing reasoning quality, not just correct answers, not just rote um, giving questions and answer sheet. We can plan any other uh, tool for assessment with the help of critical thinking. And student outcomes, prepare student for higher education with the help of critical thinking. If student think critically, they can assess the self assessment. They can think what I am doing, what how I am thinking, and how others are thinking. So they can contribute the community for a better future as a civilian, as a sin, as a citizen. They can prepare for better employment in future. Encourages independent learning. Critical thinking is encourages independent learning. They can take ownership of their learning with the help of critical thinking and problem solving attitude. Detecting many misinformation to they will be ready for a 21st century skills like compassion, collaboration, critical thinking, communication skills. Many uh, goals we will achieve with the help of critical thinking. Uh, Equity considerations means if critical thinking is developed, teacher can achieve the goal that every student will think about equity, equality, and collaborative learning, active participation, increase active participation with the help of critical thinking. And there are critical thinking for learning. Critical thinking, if we develop critical thinking, meaningful learning, and learning with particular vision, we can achieve our goals with the help of critical thinking for learn. So, critical thinking for deeper understanding. We can understand the concept for deeper with the help of critical thinking. We can enhance problem solving among the student, foster independent learning. Just now we discussed about how can we develop the independent learning attitude among the student, and encourage creativity, like they can create poems, they can create stories, they can create a drama script, they can create any other script which help them to learn new thing, develops decision making, improves communication skills. Critical thinking enhance the critical thinking and improve communication skills automatically. So, building foundation of thoughts like metacognition, student will start thinking with metacognitively. Means this is the building of thought process, and prepare for reality. They will prepare for real world, real life connected problems. They will solve the real life connected problems like global warming, like cleanliness, and uh, trees are going to cut, how to fix this particular problem. They can prepare this real problem solving with the help of critical thinking. Examine the ideas. They don't believe, like if I'm saying this is correct, they don't believe. Teacher is saying this is correct, but they are examined now with the critical thinking, with the help of critical thinking. Stimulates their imagination. Critical thinking help uh, to the stimulates their imagination, like They are composing poems. They are writing stories. They are writing a movie script, drama script, or street play script also, and they are planning performance tasks their own with the help of critical thinking, with the help of collaboration, with the help of active participation. Increase rational thinking. Student will start thinking rationally with the new ideas, new problem solving attitudes, and analyzing diverse perspectives, enhancing their thought process with the critical help of critical thinking, becoming a problem solver in this real world, in this practical world. So these are the critical thinking for learning points. And now I'm concluding this particular critical thinking concept. We all know we all know critical thinking is a foundational skill that fosters learning process, but also equips individual with the tools necessary to thrive in an ever-changing information rich world. Thus requires patience and consistent efforts from both side, teachers and students too. So thank you very much. If you have any question, you can ask. Feel free to ask question. If uh, you want to give any suggestion, uh, I'm ready to hear your suggestion, and I will work on that if you any suggestion. Thank you very much.